that money or salary paid to the British is very high. British paid very high salary. All the facilities are given for them, and Indian soldiers were paid very less. They were paid a meager salary and had no promotion for Indian soldiers, but the wages were high for the British officer and were provided good facilities for the only for the Britishers, not for Indians. The Indian soldiers were assigned to distant places. Then they forced the Indian soldiers to go to the distant places like forest, Himalayan mountains, very remote areas, especially very dangerous areas. British Indian army has to go and they have to guard them. British soldiers, they are given facilities. All the facilities are given only for the British, not the Indians. Now, British army were very upset with the Indian army were very upset with the British rule. The soldiers were made to use a special type of cartridge which had to be bitten off before use. It was believed that the cover of the cartridges was greased with the fat of cows and pigs. This angered the Hindus and Muslims, since their religion did not permit the Hindus to eat beef and the Muslim to eat pork. What is the meaning of that? Now, British introduced new gun. Now British, they were controlling India. Now British introduced one new type of gun. That is which gun? New gun in the year 1857. In our that is what to do before loading the cartridges. It was necessary to rip the paper. They are stick one paper in that gun. What did they did in that gun? In the end of the gun, they had stick one paper. Before using that gun, you have to tear the paper. You have to bite the paper in your in their mouth. When they are biting anything, you have to put that inside the mouth, isn't it? British introduced one new type of gun. In that gun, they stick one paper. In that paper, before using that gun, they have to bite that gun. Whenever you are biting, you are put that item inside your mouth, isn't it? Then there is rumor was spread that in that paper they are put that is cow and pig's fat. Then in the Indian army, almost all the people, they are in Hindus, either Hindus or Muslims. Then cow is one of the sacred or holy animal for the Hindus, isn't it? You are worshipping cow, Hindus especially, isn't it? You are doing the puja and worshipping Hindus. You are not eating the cows. And pig, it is one of yes. And pig, it is also an animal. It is Muslims. They are not touching the pig. Then there is one rumor spread that in that British, they stick the in that paper. They wipe the fat of pig and cow. This is then Indian soldiers. They refused to use that gun. Why? Because if they wanted to use, they have to bite that gun. If they bite that pig fat and cow fat that is going inside their body, it is hurt their religious. Their religion is not giving permission to eat pig and this is cow. This is one of the main or immediate causes for the 1857 battle. The soldiers in Meerut revolted against the British on May 9, 1857 by refusing to use these cartridges. They are now all the soldiers, they are told we are not using that gun because in that gun you wipe that cow and pig's fat. That's why they are refused to use that gun. The main center of the 1857 revolt was Delhi, Meerut, Kanpur, Lucknow, Faisalabad, Bareilly, Jhansi, Gwalior and Ara in Bihar. Indian rulers such as Rani Lakshmibai of Jhansi, Nana Saheb, Tantia Topi and Kanwar Singh also joined this battle. This is one of the main causes, immediate causes for the 1857 battle. Why? They refused to use that gun because in that gun, that is rumor was spread, that is cow and pig's fat was put in that or they wiped. The soldiers from Meerut set off or Delhi on 10th May 1857. Here, the Delhi Sipahis joined in and declared the last Mughal Empire. Now, Delhi people, they declare Bahadur Shah Zafar was their last empire, and in India, this revolt came to regard as Indians' first. This is also called 1857 battle as the first war of independence. Why it is called first war of independence? Because entire almost 75% of people in India, they also joined hands to fight against the British rule. That's why it is called first war of Indian independence. Now last one is, though the revolt continued for over a year. It is not 1 or 2 days revolt. It is continued for more than over a year. It was ultimately crushed by the British, who are superior in all ways. Now, British, it is 1857 battle is one of the main battle, because all the battle of Plassey, battle of Buxar, they won the battle. So many, almost all part of the India, they are conquered. Now, this is 1857 battle is one of the main battle. It is against the British troops. It was ultimately crushed by the British, who are superior in all ways by well-coordinated military operation. British, they had very good military system, well-trained army, modern weapons, new modern guns they were used, and means of transport. They have very good transport facilities, British soldiers. But Indian soldiers, they were deprived of, they have not got all these facilities. Some Indian rulers who helped the British were also responsible for India's failure in the 1857 revolt. But 1857 revolt also failed because some Indian soldiers, they are helped the British government. Why they help? British government told them, if you help us, we will give the money, or giving this, that. Because of that, so many Indian kings, they were also helped the British soldiers. This is one of the failure of 1857 battle. Rani Lakshmibai died while fighting, and Nana Sahib was defeated, and Bahadur Shah Zafar second was captured and exiled to Burma. It is in Myanmar. Effect of the revolt of 1857. What are the effects? The major effect of 1857 revolt was the rise of the feeling of nationalism in India. After, in the 1857 battle, all the people almost all part of the people, they are joined together. Now, we feeling is emerged during that time. It united the people across the length and breadth of the country. Almost all part of the country, people joined together to fight against the British rule. Though the Indian rulers were badly defeated, so many battles they fought with the British, but badly they are defeated. British won the battle. Why British won the battle? British has very good military system, transport facilities, new modern weapons they had. But Indian soldiers using old methods, old weapons. That's why Indian soldiers are badly defeated. In the war, 1857 revolt was a turning point in the entire history of India's freedom struggle. This was the first step. As for the administration of the country, the rule of the East India Company ended and was replaced by the rule of British government. Now, East India Company, they ended their rules. Then Queen Elizabeth ended, the Queen of Britain took over the reign of India. She went back. Then, that is British government, she handed over to the British government. Queen Victoria was declared the Empress of India. Queen Victoria was next Empress, means Queen of India, and was to govern India through her Viceroy. She went back, she gave the charge to her Viceroys. The doctrine of lapse was abolished. Now, afterwards, doctrine of lapse also, that is also ended. Now, that adopted and children, they can also enjoy their parents' property. The revolt of 1857 paved the way for the future struggle for freedom in India. It is helped the 1857 battle, help the future people, next generation can fight against the British rule. Now, see Vasco da Gama, he was the Portuguese. was the first European to reach India in the year 1498 by sea. The British established a strong base in India with their trading company, the English East India Company. The East India Company of the British set up its first factory at Surat. Surat, they started their first factory. See the page number 231. The defeat of Siraj-ud-Dawla in the Battle of Plassey marked the first step of the British toward their rule in Bengal. The victory of British in the Battle of Buxar in the year 1764 helped them expand their power in Bengal. British acquired Satara, Jaipur, Udaipur, Jhansi and Nagpur under the doctrine of lapse policy. The soldiers in Meerut revolted against the British in 1857. The revolt of 1857 is known as the First War of Independence. Now,
subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.